Welcome back. We're in Denver, Colorado, getting ready to demolish this old wood deck. We're going to have to scrape off all the ice, but we're going to tear out the deck, tear out these pavers, and replace everything. Probably leave these flower boxes here. A couple of them are going to come out on the side over here. So we'll remodel all the side yard as well back here, tear out all this old decking, tear out these old wood flower boxes and remodel those, grade the back of the yard here. We're going to fix this grade so the drainage is proper with a little backfill, and then we'll continue our flagstone path, little sitting area over here. This will all become flagstone path up to the new flagstone patio, which will wrap around over here to the back door, and then we'll build flagstone steps up to the front side door over here. And that'll be our flagstone patio remodel. We'll also include a cedar pergola over the corner here, little shade structure, custom cedar pergola. So hope to see you next time. Thanks for joining in. See you on another patio and home improvement.